What is this called?
Hair clips.
Good job.
What is this called?
Scrunchies.
That's right.
What is this called?
Hair ties.
You rock it.
What is this called?
Bobby pin.
You are the best.
What is this called?
Hair rollers.
You know everything.
What is this called?
Claw clips.
That's right.
What is this called?
Headband.
You rock it.
What are these called?
Leather jacket.
What are these called?
Denim skirt.
What are these called?
Stockings.
What are these called?
Pantyhose.
What are these called?
Leggings.
What are these called?
Tuxedo.
What are these called?
Cardigan.
What are these called?
Tank tops. What are these called? Blouse.
What are these called? Write in the comments.
What is this called?
Nail file. Good job.
What is this called?
Lipstick. That's right.
What is this called?
Razor. You rock it.
What is this called?
Nail clippers. You are the best.
What is this called?
Shower cap. You know everything. What are these called? Slippers. That's right.
What is this called?
Hair dryer. You rock it.
What is this called?
Deodorant. You are the best. How many